Hi everyone, a very good afternoon and a very warm welcome to all the students and young professionals who are joining in us today for another insightful session under the Naukri Campus Expert Speak series. And for today's session, it is a very special one because we are diving into a topic that's shaping the future of digital careers worldwide. The topic for the session is SEO careers in the age of AI and automation, the fresh opportunities for growth. Now, as we all know, the search is changing faster than ever, and it all thanks to generative AI, automation, and smart algorithms. And to build a career in SEO, digital marketing is evolving too. Now, I would like to welcome Mr. Kundan Chaudhary, the General Manager and Head of SEO at Spinny, one of India's fastest growing auto tech brands. We welcome you, Kundan.
Hey, thanks, Arna.
Yeah. So Kundan brings in over 13 years of experience in SEO, digital marketing, and product strategy. He has been previously working with some of India's most recognized names, such as InfoEdge, which is the parent company of Naukri and Shiksha.com, Paytm, Yatra, and Asianet News. He's also known for driving massive organic growth, implementing SEO automation, and leading large-scale SEO operations for high-traffic platform, which is very, very remarkable. And considering beyond metrics, what sets him apart is his focus on strategy, innovation, and mentoring young professionals like you entering the digital marketing space. We couldn't have asked for a better person to guide our students today. So, before we dive in, let's think about how every time we search something on Google, apply for a job, or even find a product online, SEO is working silently behind the scenes. But what's the most exciting part is the future of SEO is not just about keywords anymore. Right, Kundan, if I'm not wrong?
Yeah, you are
Yeah.
absolutely right.
Yeah, it's about AI driven optimization, data analytics, and automation tools that are opening new career paths for freshers and students who have joined us today. Now, without further ado, let's welcome our speaker, Mr. Kundan Chaudhary, to take us through his exciting topic. Kundan, it's a pleasure to have you with us today. The stage is all yours.
Thanks, Arna. Thanks for inviting me on this platform. And I'll try to make this webinar more engaging for the audience. And I welcome you all. Hello, everyone. So now we will start the session. Arna, is my screen visible?
Yes, Kundan, your screen is visible. Students, I would request you keep asking your questions in the chat bot, and we'll be assigning them to Kundan, and post the session he'll be taking up your questions. Over to you, Kundan.
Okay. So today we are going to discuss how AI and automation is going to help you build a better career in SEO. Now, SEO is a very demanding career. Uh, Using AI and automation, a lot of things can be done over internet. So it's now more than ever. People are getting into this particular field, and there are a lot of fresh opportunity. So we will discuss today in this webinar like how you can explore AI and automation, which can help you to transform as your career, providing actionable insight for professionals, for students, for the people who are looking to change in SEO from different career background. Learning outcome from this webinar should be like AI powered SEO, understanding emerging roles in SEO field, develop future proof SEO career and strategies. So let's start. So what is happening actually? How AI is changing SEO? What actually is changing after coming AI in the picture? How AI is helping SEO person, SEO professionals in doing their day-to-day jobs. So AI handles all the repetitive work. Like by using AI, you can use all the traditional like operational work from these tools. AI can help you automate the tasks like keyword research, meta tag creation, technical audit, and content optimization, which can save you a lot of hours of work, and you can put your effort in more of a strategy and new work planning and execution. So by using AI, what will happen, like human focus will shift on more on strategy. Earlier, what we used to do when I started my career in SEO, lot of manual work was uh, happening. Like we used to do a lot of manual work, hours of research in keyword planning, like a lot of operational work we used to do manually. But now things are changed. AI is helping us in all the operational work and all the routine tasks AI is able to do. So now human focus will shift on strategy making. Many will think like, will AI replace the like SEO professionals or the kind of work SEO are doing? So no, what I believe, SEO will not be replaced by AI, but AI will be more be used as a partner of SEO person, because AI will be your like go-to person, go-to tool to help in different kind of work. In traditional SEO, whatever we used to do manually, AI can do it very quickly with more accuracy. So this is changing, and this is changing very fast. So in last 1 or 2 years, things are changing very fast, and lot of work AI can do in a minutes. So this is very predictive. uh, Lot of data driven result you can get from AI tools. So these are changing very fast. Now if you are getting into SEO as a career, so what kind of skills would require in future? Maybe some of the SEO existing SEO professionals can also think of these skills, or a fresher can also get into these skills so that they can build the career in this particular field. So what kind of skills would require? Hybrid skill is very much required here, like all the traditional SEO practices which currently user and AI both are doing, but masters like audit kind of thing in SEO. If we talk about uh, what kind of work we do in SEO, then technical audit of the website, content strategy, keyword analysis, content generation, these kind of things we do in SEO. So you need to learn these skills, and if you are getting this work done from AI tools, then you need to understand what kind of prompts you need to write to get the exact answer from AI tool. So building a hybrid skill set would require in future. Second is adaptability and continuous learning. Like uh, lot of new things are coming, lot of AI tools with lot of new features are coming in the market. So you need to stay updated with whatever is going on. Then only you can uh, cope up with the change, and you can adopt the changes. So continuous learning is the key thing, and that is very much required to enhance your skill and to get into a proper real work. Next is high demand capabilities. Like this, I'll give you a real scenario where if I'm hiring someone for my team, I look what kind of AI skill he is having. Is he able to do some AI research on different tools? How he understands the AI tools? What kind of prompts he can write? What exactly is required to run an automation or do some data analysis from AI tools? So if you are having these kind of capability, definitely employer will be happy to hire you, and you can make a very good career in this particular field. So after learning these skills, what will be the career path? So with the use of AI, what is happening, like uh, Lot of new roles are coming in the market with the AI driven SEO specialists, like people who can optimize for AI tools. Now search is not very conventional. People are not looking a lot of uh, keywords driven search on just Google, but they are going to different AI tools, writing down the prompts, the questions they are looking for, and how that particular AI tool is responding, what kind of data AI tool is giving to user, and how AI is helping user to make a decision for buying any product, or to take any service, or some research about the product or service. So AI driven SEO will help a lot in optimizing the content, kind of content you are putting on the website, the kind of audience you are targeting. So this particular role is going to be a very important role, and people with this skill set will get lot of opportunity from across the world. Next will be a voice and visual search. Like nowadays, search is not just text search. People are doing a lot of voice searches and video searches also. So you just don't need to optimize your website or your platform for text or voice, written text, or like content only, but for voice and visual searches also. The kind of optimization which is required for voice search is slightly different from conventional text search, because here you need to focus on what kind of query user is actually looking for. So in this particular voice and visual searches, you need to understand voice searches, uh, kind of queries, user intent. You need to learn some NLP and visual SEO techniques as well. Next is SEO strategist for AI platform. Like as I said, AI tools are getting very popular, and now we started getting a lot of traffic from AI tools. AI tools, some of the popular tools are like ChatGPT, Gemini, Perplexities, and lot of other tools are coming in the market, and we are getting a lot of traffic from these tools along with Google. So to get more traffic, and in coming time a lot of people are going on these tools along with Google to get their answers. So it becomes very crucial for us also to optimize our platform to get visible in these AI tools. So content optimization, as per the AI tools, are very important. We need the slightly different kind of strategy to perform better on AI tools. These techniques are very important. So this role is also going to be very crucial, and these three are very emerging career path if someone wants to get into the SEO career. Now, what actually AI tool can do? What kind of help your AI tool can do in SEO work? The most common and very much easy to understand work is content generation optimization. If you give any topic to AI tool, any AI tool, they can create a good quality content, doing lot of research from different website, from Google, and can give you a good content. Second is automated keyword research. Earlier, what we used to do, we were going on different tools, maybe Google Keyword Planner or Google Search, to do keyword research before finalizing the content, before optimizing the website. But now, what is happening? AI can help you in keyword research as well. They can give you a complete set of keywords along with the proper structuring of the content, so that you just need to write the content, optimize your page, and your content website is ready for your user. So you can do a lot of automation in keyword research using AI tool. Next is technical audit. Earlier, what was happening, like if I talk about 2-3 years back, we used to do technical audit via Google Search Console, or maybe some other tools which were specialized in SEO technical audit only. And but now, and if you can pick any AI tool, you can do some quick technical audit for any website. You can get insight, you can get like what kind of fixes would require, you can prioritize your technical issues, and you can even automate some of the fixes using AI tools. So this is huge. Basically, automation of all the technical audit and prioritize them, because it requires a lot of effort. Usually, what was happening 2 3 years back, it was taking a lot of time to do technical audit of the website, getting into the errors and data, and making decision what kind of fixes would require for each error and bugs. But now it's becomes very easy using AI tools. Next is precision and scale. With using AI, it can simply boost your efficiency. You can do a lot of data heavy tasks very easily. It can like increase your productivity, so that you can think more about strategy and more in terms of creativity, and your work easily can be handled by AI tools. Now like how SEO is going to evolve in future, like in the era of AI, how you need to optimize your website so that it can be visible on Google and AI tools. Now what was happening earlier, keyword was the primary thing for SEO to start any optimization. We used to do keyword research. We were finding how many searches are there around the keyword, and we used to optimize the keyword and content for entire website. But now it is completely changed. Keyword is still relevant, but user intent becomes very important for any optimization. AI will not focus on just the keyword and the search volume, but it will focus on what user actually is looking for, what kind of intent user is having, and what exact data they are looking based on a lot of activities, what user is doing on AI tool, or maybe on uh, different platform and different kind of data and user history. AI tool can easily understand the intent of the user, and based on the intent, it will recommend what kind of product or services he can avail, what kind of research he can do, what kind of information he can consume. So user intent becomes very important. So for every SEO now, understanding the user intent before optimization of the content or website becomes important. Next is quality content still rules. So many of us may think like, if AI is already in place, what's the need of content writer? Easily AI tool can write the content, but this is not true. AI can write your content, but Google will never give a preference of AI content until unless it is not adding some value to the user. It will not show your website or page in Google search if you are not putting any add-on additional value in the content. If you simply generate content from AI, it will never picked up in Google search, but it can give you a negative impact. Google can penalize your website for putting AI content. A lot of website got penalized from Google due to AI content. So you can do research work from AI. You can take help from AI in content structuring, research, data analysis, sequencing. But for writing, you always need to get the work done from content writer who are specialists in the content writing, who are subject matter expert, who can write the proper content. So quality still matters. Next is ethical use of AI in SEO. Basically, when we talk about use of AI in SEO, then uh, it comes with the responsibility. Like, we cannot do simply all the spammy automation, fact check, output, or duplicacy of the content, uh, like prioritization from AI tools. We just need to build the trust of user and the platform. So AI should be used, but in a right manner. So you always need to think about your user, about your uh, like audience, about your readers before using the AI. So now, career tips for an AI-driven SEO world. If anyone wants to get into the SEO career path, so what he or she can do? Uh, Fresher can also get into the SEO career, even if they are not from a technical background. Still they can adopt to this career. If they are having some analytical skills, they can uh, work with data. They are very enthusiastic in data driven approach. They they are very good in numbers. They can get into this career. So not very technical skills are required in this particular field. A person from any background, maybe he's not a technical background, maybe he's not done a BTech or BCA or uh, MBA, he can get into this particular career. This SEO career is like open for anyone, but you need to understand what kind of work is required here. You need to be a bit technical in skill set. You need to uh, understand what data actually is saying. You need to be very good at like numbers and some maths so that you can get into this career. Once you plan to get into this particular field, SEO field, then what kind of uh, skill set would require, how you can get into this. You can start doing some online courses or certification. You can understand, you can read Google guidelines. Google is also having a good documentation about how SEO works, what kind of uh, things you need to understand, you need to learn to get into this career. You can do some certifications from different tools before getting into this career. You can understand the entire process by doing certification, by learning online tutorials and videos. A lot of free platforms are also available so that you can take SEO courses from there to understand what actually SEOs are doing, what kind of work will be there. After that, you can build your personal brand portfolio as well. If you are having a fair understanding of SEO work, then you don't just need to find the job. You can do your own work. You can write blogs, you can showcase your skills on LinkedIn. You can do some freelancing projects. You can work internationally. You just don't need to get into the job kind of thing. You can build your personal brand and portfolio. What you need to do, you can stay updated with what SEO industry is doing, how it is evolving, what kind of tools are coming, how AI innovation is happening. These changes are coming very frequently nowadays, and you need to be very, you know, keep updating yourself so that you can stay updated with the market trend. You can learn a lot of tech skills. So yeah, this particular career field is open for everyone, uh, for freshers also, from background, from any background. People can come in this industry, but you need to put a lot of effort. It's a continuous learning process. It is not something like you have mastered once and you are established yourself in this particular industry. You need to learn every day, everything you need to learn, because this particular industry is evolving very fast. Yeah, now key takeaways from this particular webinar is like, SEO with AI is future proof. Yes, AI is enhancing, not replacing SEO. So this particular field is going to be very popular and sustaining field. So if anyone wants to get into this particular field, then he can grow, he can learn a lot of things, he can create get into this particular career. AI as a new workhorse, like AI, now being a SEO, AI can help you a lot in a lot of routine tasks like audits, keyword research, content strategy, content, some kind of creations as well. So now SEO is mixed of both, mixed traditional and automation kind of thing. So AI can help you in a lot of things, but once you are having a basic understanding of fundamental SEO practices, then only you can find out whatever AI tool is suggesting you, that is beneficial or not. So first you need to understand what basic techniques are there, what is the basic fundamentals. So hybrid, mixed, tech and traditional SEO will evolve in future and they will continue to grow. Next is emerging specialization. With new roles will definitely come in the market. It's already happening. A lot of AI related roles in SEO are coming. Voice search optimization, video, AI-based search optimization are also coming in the market. So yeah, a lot of opportunity is going to come, and people can, this particular thing. What I think from my experience and what is going on right now, I think in SEO only there will be a lot of other sub roles will be there, and every role will like be a kind of huge career path. Like voice search will be something which some of the SEO will be doing. Video will be some other thing, and AI based searches will also be there. Next is intent and quality most matters. So whatever tools you are using, whatever fundamental SEO or traditional SEO you are doing, quality always matters. So whatever you are doing to optimize your website for your audience, for your buyers, customers, you need to understand the user intent and what kind of data or content you are putting on your website. That must be qualitative so that it can help user to satisfy the intent of the user. Then only you can sustain the market. Your visibility will be higher in Google search and AI tools. Growing demand and salary in SEO roles are also very much like something which people are looking at. So now roles are growing, so demand is also growing, and uh, most of the businesses are on internet and AI in place. So lot of users are also coming on internet on and AI. So optimization is very much required, and that is going to push a lot of other roles and lot of demand for SEO professionals in the market. Lifelong learning is a key. So once you are in this particular industry, you need to learn every day. You need to understand what kind of activities is happening, how AI is evolving, what kind of tools are in the market, what kind of data is required to perform better, how we can optimize our website to make it more useful for users, for my buyers and customers, to satisfy their intent, and actually how we can help the user. Then only you can sustain in the market. So these are the takeaways. Now, how AI powered tool that improves like efficiency and accuracy. So basically three types of work AI tool can easily handle. One is keyword and content intelligence. You can use AI to cluster your keywords, analyze search intent. Content optimization is second thing. You can give some lot of prompt to the AI chat, like maybe chat GPT or some other AI tools, and they can give you a complete analysis of the content. They can help you to put a right keyword. They can help you in structuring the content. So content keyword is something where AI can help. Second is technical audit. Technical audit can be automated using AI tools. Now AI tools can help you to audit the entire website. They can help you to find out broken links or duplicate content or crawl issues. So they can help you and in understanding of how user is engaging with your website. They can help you error reporting and prioritization in real time. Next is automation and insight. Uh, in this particular automation and insight kind of work, AI can help you to predict what kind of optimization would require and how it will help you to rank better. It can give you ranking trends. It can help you to understand how your competitor are doing. It can give you a complete workflow automation of metas, schema, and sub tracking. It can give you a dashboard with AI based recommendation so that you don't need to create report manually. You don't need to maintain it on regular basis manually, but AI can help you. By doing all these three activities using AI tool, your like you can optimize your website very fast. Means on my observation is like 40 to 50% faster optimization can be done using AI tools. Accuracy will be higher. when you are doing a lot of manual work, there may be chances of some glitch can happen, some mistakes can happen, data maybe some discrepancy can be happen in the data. But when you are using a AI tool, then there will be a higher chance of accuracy. There won't be any mistake in the data. You can take data driven approach, so you don't need to do any guesswork in optimization, in creating content, or in doing data analysis. You can uh, get all the data from AI tools. You can do some analysis using AI tool, and you can take a data driven decisions. So your decision can help your website to grow much faster. You can take actions much faster, and you can deliver result based on the data driven decision. So that was it for today's session. Now I can take questions. Hi Anna, over to you.
Yeah, hi Kundan. I'll just read out the questions to you. So, one question which we are repeatedly getting is, which one platform would you recommend for SEO learning?
Okay. For SEO learning, there are several tools available in the market. You can take SEO courses from Semrush and HubSpot also. The most important like guide from Google itself, which will help you to understand the basic fundamental of SEO. Google SEO guide. You can simply go to the Google search and type Google SEO guide, and it will give you a link, which is a complete document of SEO from Google itself. So go through that, and after going through reading that particular document, you can take some test from Google itself. You can do take some courses from online courses from Semrush, HubSpot, or maybe some other platforms. Yeah.
So, yeah, thank you, Kundan. One question is, any programming language that is required for SEO? Like, as far as the knowledge I have of SEO is, you need basic understanding of HTML and C++ codes. Is that so? Like someone coming from the non-tech background and planning to have a career in SEO, is it like they should know the basic fundamentals of any programming language?
See, in SEO, you don't need to write the code. You need basic understanding of HTML, CSS, yes, but using AI tools, that can be done very easily. You don't need to exact understanding of HTMLs and CSS. HTML is something which you need to understand, but AI can help you over there. But if you are having some understanding of Python, then AI can help you a lot in automation of lot of things. So it's not mandatory to have a skill of any programming language other than HTML and CSS basic understanding, but it's always a add-on. Python can help you a lot.
Okay, okay, got it, Kundan. Now moving on to the next one is, what one mistake you see the most beginners make when they are starting out to make a career in the SEO field? Like as someone who has a lot of experiences, how do you see people who are just joined in SEO or freshers who are starting to the make their career in SEO? How are what is the one common mistake that is visible?
See, what I have observed in in my past organizations and throughout my career, like when a fresher is coming into this field, uh, instead of learning new techniques, they focus on conventional things. They don't dig uh, deeper into the things. Instead of digging deeper, they get into operational work. They do routine optimization, like meta tags optimization, uh, content like planning and creation. These things can be done using AI. So now, what I think, if any fresher or less experienced people are coming to this field, they are working, they are having understanding of the work, they should use the tool instead of doing it manually, and instead of doing a lot of operational work, they should think of understanding and learning of technical stuff and automation.
Okay, Kundan, thanks. Now we are getting a lot of questions. So moving on to the next one is, could you share some AI tools that would help us in learning SEO in a better way? Like which specific AI tools students should focus on when they're starting out their careers?
There is not any particular, but whatever tool you can access. ChatGPT is the most popular tool, and having lot of data, and its model are already trained, so it can help you a lot. Along with ChatGPT, you can use like Google Gemini, and if you are having access to Samras, then Samras is also giving lot of AI related stuff nowadays, so you can learn a lot of things from there also.
I think Kundan is answering very well. And yeah, so Kundan, moving on to the next one is, this is something related from your experience. How do you approach SEO for large scale websites versus the smaller ones?
See, large scale website are very dynamic in nature. So optimization, large scale website is a bit tricky. When you optimize a small scale website, which is having a less number of pages, not very complex, kind of static in nature. So you need to do some standard optimization for the static and small website. But when you work on large scale website where pages are generating on dynamic basis, site is complex, lot of product and offerings are there, you need to think uh, on a broader prospect. You need to optimize your website on the basis of pattern. You cannot pick every single page for manual optimization, but instead what you need to do, you need to plan uh, like whole level, a category level optimization, or maybe some trend level optimization, so that you can scale the optimization to a large number of pages, and your entire website can be optimized. More of the technical optimization would require on a complex website. More error and bugs will come on technical, like complex website. So you need to be focused on all kind of fixes, technical fixes, on page optimization, content requirement will also be used for complex website. So working on a complex big website, you need to take care of all the aspect, and you need to be very technically sound to work on uh, complex website where dynamic pages are getting created, your lot of product and offerings are there, and competition is very high.
Got it, Kundan. So, one question we are repeatedly getting is, can Kundan sir explain or tell us what are the basic skills, or what are the main skills that are needed if we are starting out our careers? Like Kundan, you can take it someone who is coming from a tech background and non-tech background. If we can consolidate it, what are the basic top priority skills that students should have if they're starting their careers in SEO?
Okay, okay. See, first is analytical skill. You need to think analytically. You need to be data driven. So if someone is very interested in digging down the data, then this is a perfect career path for him. If someone is very keen to learn about new tools and techniques, how we can explore the tools, this is a perfect career path. Whether you are from a science background or art background, or maybe a commerce background, or maybe you have done btech or not, it doesn't matter. But if you are good at learning things, if you are very good at handling data or making calculations, or basic excel, if you are having uh, understanding of basic excel, word, powerpoint, and some seo tools, then you can get into this particular career. And later, it's not just having these basic skills can help you to grow in this career. One, it can help you to get into this career path, but once you are in this particular field, then you need to learn a lot of things to further grow. So this is something you need to keep learning and keep evolving. Yeah.
Correct, Kundan. So, students, the I am picking up the last two questions for the session. So, one is in generic, and one is from Kundan's personal, from a personal and mentorship angle. So, if for the generic one, one is Kundan, how do you see voice and visual search changing in the SEO landscape?
It is going to be huge because see nowadays also when I'll give you an example. Like when I go simply in my society park, and there is a guard, there is a watchman. Like these people are simply, everyone is having a smartphone nowadays. So these people are simply go to the voice search on YouTube or maybe some other video tools, and they search for the video by speaking the term. They are not typing anymore. So voice search is going to become a huge thing. You can simply go to the Google. You can, instead of writing something, most of the people are like who are not very much literate on, maybe you can uh, think of blue collar people. They are not very efficient in writing. They can simply go on mobile devices, they can go to the voice search, and they can search for any question. So voice search optimization is something which is going to be very big, and it can help your website to appear on those searches which are conducted on voice search. So voice search is something everyone is doing nowadays. People don't bother to write. They just simply go push the mic button and they speak whatever they want to watch or they want to read or listen. So this is something which is very important. In coming future, video search is also, like, a lot of video platforms are doing quite well nowadays, and everyone is, instead of reading something or listening something, people prefer to watch videos. So video optimization is something which is going to be very big. So both voice and video will change the shape of the search.
Correct, completely aligned on this, Kundan. So, last question we are taking up for today is how do you handle failure or experiments that don't work in SEO? And along with it, Kundan, one question is who inspired you the most in your SEO career journey, and what's the biggest lesson you learned early in your career which helped you grow so much?
Okay, okay. Nice question. So first part is SEO is all about experiment. You cannot be sure for any of the experiment whether it will be successful or failure. We need to keep doing the experiment. Without doing any experiment, you cannot predict whether it will be successful or not. Even in today's scenario, uh, on a monthly or quarterly basis, we do lot of experiment in SEO. Some of them are huge success, some of them don't do good, some of them are completely failed. But we learn from the failure. We do root cause analysis. What didn't work, we enhance that particular thing and we redo that. So experiment is something which is keep going in SEO industry, and without experiment you cannot do great things. So if I say those people who are not doing experiment in SEO, who are not taking new projects, new ideas and execution, they won't bring the expected growth in the organization. So doing experiment is the only thing in SEO industry which can keep growing, which can help you to grow in your career, and which can help your organization to grow. So experiment is something that must be keep doing. Next part was uh, Arna, can you please come again? I missed that part.
Yeah. So last, the second part of the question is who inspired you most in your SEO journey? Like, what is the biggest lesson you would tell students you learned early in your life, which helped you grow in a much better way?
Okay, so in my entire career, a lot of people inspired me. Mostly, whenever I go, whatever organization I join, I take someone from my inspiration. So a lot of people inspired me a lot, and in every organization, like some of the key lessons I learned, because since I have worked in lot of companies, in a lot of industries, and from travel to fintech, from education to job, and now I'm in auto tech. So I have worked in almost all the industry in India, and this is something which if I'm thinking about what I have learned from in my initial day or today, I'm learning every day actually. So every company, every industry is different. So same technique will not work in all the company, in all the industry. So as your basics will be same, but every industry is different, every customer is different, every business is different. So I have to think, I have to learn every day to sustain, to survive, and to grow.
Correct, Kundan. So, thank you once again, everyone, and especially to Kundan for such an engaging and insightful session on SEO. And a big thank you to all the students who have joined us in today. We really got a very good number. Like all of our queries were resolved very patiently, and we hope this session students gave you a very fresh perspective on how AI is reshaping the SEO careers, and what and how it inspired you to start exploring this exciting field. And I would suggest, if you have more questions, you can connect with Kundan on his LinkedIn. Kundan, it would be better if you could just tell students your LinkedIn handle so that
Yeah,
they can
yeah,
reach
sure.
out to you.
In my first slide, I already have mentioned my LinkedIn link. You can simply go to LinkedIn and type this.
Correct. Thanks, Kundan. And thank you everyone who joined in us for today. And please stay tuned for such more impactful sessions with industry leaders under the Naukri Campus Expert Speak session. Until next time, stay curious, keep learning, and never stop growing. Thank you everyone who joined today. We are just
Thanks.
leaving the session. Thank you everyone.
Thanks everyone. Thanks for joining. Thanks, Arna.
Thanks, Kundan.